A boy of mass 40 kg jumps off a stationary skateboard and moves horizontally with a speed of 1.5 meter per second, while the skateboard moves in the opposite direction with a speed of 20 meter per second. Calculate the mass of the skateboard. Now, this is a question talking about perfectly elastic collision. Now, let's look at so we have mass of the boy multiplied by, okay, mass of the boy multiplied by initial velocity of the boy plus mass of the skateboard multiplied by initial velocity of the skateboard before collision equals mass of the boy multiplied by final velocity of the boy plus mass of the skateboard multiplied by final velocity of the skateboard. So in this question, 40, this is the mass of the boy, but we don't know the mass of the skateboard. Then we don't know they said a boy of mass 40 kg jump off a stationary skateboard. So our initial velocity of the speed, initial velocity of that boy is also 0 because it's starting from the rest. So what we are going to do now, this is the 1.5 meter per second. That is the velocity. So that is the velocity of the boy. Then velocity of the boy after collision. Then 20 meter, they said opposite direction with a speed of 20 meter per second for the skateboard. So this is what we are going to do. Mass of the boy, that's 40 times 0, then plus mass of the, we don't know, ms, then multiply by, since it is a stationary skateboard, so the initial velocity is 0, then equals mass of the boy 40 multiplied by velocity of the boy after collision, that's 1.5, then plus mass of the skateboard, we don't know, that's what we are looking for, multiplied by negative 20. Negative 20 in the sense that it is the skateboard move in the opposite direction. So that's why we have negative 20. So this one will become 0. Then equals 40 times 1.5, that's 60. Then minus 20 ms. So which will give us what? 20 ms equals 60. Then mass of the skateboard will equal to 60 divided by 20. So which will give us 3 kilograms. So option C is the correct answer.